Welcome to Crash Cases, where ordinary roads erupt into defining moments. Here, split-second choices carve the line between danger and escape, and every frame draws you closer to the truth of the ride. Settle in the story behind the impact is about to unfold.
Eastern spur northbound at 15E blocks the left lane on the ramp for exit 15E and a couple of problems on
A tire blowout sent a moving truck rolling and sliding a long-distance turning control into chaos in seconds. Mechanical failures strike fast, inspect your tires. The truck loses control while cornering and hits an oncoming car head-on. A brief misjudgment can turn dangerous. Slow your approach and stay steady. The minivan driver lost control while fleeing a hit-and-run, hitting two cars in a Brooklyn neighborhood. Reckless escapes raise serious risks. Drive responsibly. Reckless speeding pushes a Lamborghini into a parked car, causing heavy smoke to rise. One risky choice can escalate fast, slow down, and stay in control. A truck struck a convoy and caught fire, triggering a blaze that damaged nearby vehicles and infrastructure. It's a stark reminder of highway risks. Stay alert and keep safe distance. Collision at an intersection sends a vehicle toward the sidewalk, where a nearby post shields a passing woman. Small barriers can save lives. Approach crossroads with caution.
Mira, Carlos, mira. ¡Oh! ¿Lo has visto, Gordín? Eso es lo que le pasó a mi hijo. Eso es lo que le pasó a mi hijo. Dios mío de mi vida, ¿ves? Por favor. ¿Qué hijos de...?
You could go far. So I went horsing.
Sudden collision between two cars shows how one brief lapse can shift everything. Dashcam shows a truck shifting lanes on the M3, striking another vehicle and spinning out. Heavy damage but no injuries. Sudden moves raise risk, signal early and stay alert.
Where's the end?
A runaway tire struck her car, a sudden roadway hazard. She escaped unharmed, a reminder that unexpected dangers can arise. Stay alert and drive defensively. moving tractor loses a wheel, sending it rolling into nearby vehicles. Sudden mechanical failure can escalate. Instantly maintain distance and stay alert. Two vehicles overturned after attempting to pass a white car, losing control and sliding off the road. Risky overtakes escalate danger. Slow down and choose safe gaps. The truck driver fought to avoid nearby vehicles, steering hard to reduce impact and protect others. Skill and restraint matter. Choose safety first. Two cars collided at an intersection, a sudden impact caused by poor yielding. Intersections are high-risk zones. Slow down, scan wide, and give way safely. Every scene in Crash Cases is more than a collision. It is a reminder of how quickly a routine drive can shift into the unexpected. Let these moments stay with you, sharpening your awareness and steadying your instincts. Hold the wheel with intention, travel with care, and respect the road that carries us all. If this opened your eyes, like, share, and subscribe.